Hi, welcome to YSchool. In this video, we will talk about Sine law. Sine law. Sine law states that, in any triangle ABC, the sides are proportional to the sine ratio of opposite angles. Proof. Consider any triangle ABC, whose sides BC, CA and AB are denoted by A, B and C respectively. We know area of triangle as, area of triangle ABC equals 1/2 AB sine, C a 1/2 BC sine, A a 1/2 AC sine, B. Since these all formulas represent the area of same triangle ABC. So, 1/2 AB sin C equals 1/2 BC sin A equals 1/2 AC sin B. Dividing by ABC and taking reciprocals. Then we get the sine law. Let's try to solve some questions based on this law. Question number 1. In any triangle ABC, A equals 2, B equals 3, sine A equals 2/3, find B. Why don't you pause the video and try it yourself? Solution. Given A equals 2, B equals 3, sine A equals 2/3, find B. Using sine law. A divided by sin A equals B divided by sin B. Putting the values and finding B. Here we get B is 90 degrees. Question number 2. In any triangle ABC, the angles to be one another as 1, 2, 3. Prove the corresponding sides are 1, square root 3, 2. Why don't you pause the video and try it yourself? Solution. Let the measures of angles be x, 2x, 3x. Then, x plus 2x plus 3x equals 180 degrees. Which gives x equals 30 degrees. Let A, B, C be the length of the sides opposite to these angles. Then, from sine law, from above this, we get A, B, C equals 1, square root 3, 2. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to be updated.